China will strive to modernize the industrial system and develop new quality productive forces at a faster pace, according to a government work report submitted to China's national legislature for deliberation. New quality productive forces mean advanced productivity that features high-tech, high-efficiency, and high quality. They're driven by revolutionary technological breakthroughs, innovative allocation of production factors, and deep industrial transformation and upgrading.
Depois de experimentar um crescimento econômico baseado na quantidade, a China está caminhando rapidamente para o crescimento apoiado na qualidade de seus produtos e serviços. É preciso dar um salto de qualidade no processo produtivo com o objetivo de criar uma economia que seja altamente produtiva para atender às demandas da população e também garantir a sustentabilidade dos recursos de nosso planeta.
This concept refers to the transformation process of China's economic growth through innovation and industrial modernization. Instead of adhering to traditional methods, it aims to boost productivity with high technology, efficiency, and quality.
From my understanding, China is now entering a new stage of growth that focuses on high-quality development. New quality productive forces were needed for economic growth, not only for China, but also for the world.
I'm very, very positive about China's future in technological advancement. I believe in the Chinese system. It's a very good move from China because I think they are also looking at it in the sense that technology is making things more better and more smarter, and production costs will also come down. I really believe that there's a future in technology.
I think plan for new productive forces and also some of the new the push for innovation to help advance manufacturing is something that we should really look forward to.